Whoa! Hey, watch out!
Hey, look, Gandhi. Now, just because you broke out your little Fisher-Price surgery set and somehow managed to not kill somebody for once doesn't mean you're a queen of the world.
You think you could do better, old man?
Watch and learn.
I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain. Oh, yeah. You can take my breath away.
How's that taste?
Is it delicious? Oh.
Oh, Lord. My back.
Are you okay?
Come on. I'm simply posing so your boyfriend can get a picture of me for his people who make me feel like a little girl scrapbook.
Let's go.
Why won't you admit you hurt your back?
Carla, come on. Back injuries are for 80-year-old guys named Norman who have pants up to here, nose hairs down to here, and who start every sentence with a very elegant
Uh-huh. Oops. You dropped your badge. Huh. Your move there, Norman.
I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain, oh yeah. And I can be your hero. I can kiss away the pain. You can take my breath away. I can be your hero.
That's impressive.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hello, sweet. Oh, sweet couch.
I've been thinking about what you said this morning, and you're right. We have not been having enough sex lately.
Turns out, yes, we have.
No, we haven't. And tonight, we're gonna do it the way you always fantasized about.
Laying down in a big tub of ice.
Standing up, against the wall, you holding me up. What do you say, Romeo?
Sometimes the moment you've been waiting for comes at the most inopportune time.
Let's do this. Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Whoa. I was in a sex coma. How'd you sleep?
Great.
Oh, and Perry, I know I asked you to be more sensitive when we do it, but I was just hoping you wouldn't curse as much. I mean, to actually cry during sex. What's that about?
I guess I just love you so much.